Good morning, everyone. I am Christine M. Obang, and my topic today is all about stages of family life cycle. So there are 6 stages family life cycle. First, unattached young adult. Second, newly married couple. Third, family with young children. Fourth, family with adolescents. Fifth, launching family. And the last is family in later years. So let's begin in the first one. So number 1 is unattached young adult. So formulates personal goals in developing as an individual. So ang unattached young adult is generally defined as an individual over the age of 18 who is not married, has no children, and is not living with a romantic partner. So naay first order changes ang mahitabo. So number 1 is extend social contact outside of home. So, diri ma-extend social contact is mo ni siyang actively participating in social activities. So, makigkuan siya kanang makig-interact bitaw siya sa mga laing tao na diha sa gawas sa ilang balay. Then, ikaduha, job employment. Diha magtrabaho. Ikatulo, living accommodation kung asa siya nagpuyo, kung asa siya dapit nagpuyo. Then, second order changes, development of intimate peer relationship. So, diha sa intimate relationship daan ang more casual social interactions to forming deeper, more meaningful connections with peers. So, diraan na mag-learn na sila on how to navigate intimacy, commitment, and independence outside of their family of origin. So, naay napay kaduha, establishment of self in work. So, at the age of 18, of course, pwede naman ka na magtrabaho. So, yes, pwede na ka magtrabaho. Naka-establish of self in work. Then, so problems encountered. So, sa medical taon na din, morning pinakauna sa sexually transmitted disease, para anang makig-sex ka sa tao. What if kato imong kakuan is naa daytoy sakit, so mapasahan ka, like for example anang HIV or AIDS ba na. So, dapat mag-careful kay nga mga butang. Then, ikaduha, unwanted pregnancy. So, unwanted man siya. So, for example, kay balingani, nag-inom mo sa imong mga barkada, then puro sila lalaki, ikaw rin babae. Then, ikaw ang nahubog. So, naburos ka kay, nagpahubog-hubog man ka, ilakang ko anon. Then, pre-employment check-up. So, sa pre-employment check-up, mo na siya kanang its conclusion under kanang problems encounter suggest that it can be a source of anxiety or sa imong mga na-stress na kadiha mo nang nakaingana nakasunid nimo magpa check up. Then sa emotional is psychomatic problem secondary to new job role or peer group. So naana diri depression secondary to difficulty in finding employment. So, sa social is, nanadiri ang peer group, pressure on acquiring vices, fiancé, pressure, marriage, and premarital sex. So, matong gingon gaina. So, the second is newly married couple. So, transition stage from life as an individual to a life couple. So, diri nga period comes with its own unique set of challenges, adjustments, and growth opportunities. So, ang iyang first order changes is mag-establish og first is home, of course. Pag bago pa mong kasal dapat, bago mong kasal dapat na namoy balay. Then, mutually satisfying system for getting and spending money. So, kamo duha sa imong partner dapat inyong kuana na kanang relationship duha is mutual bitaw kay para magkuan mo sa inyong money kung unsaon ninyo pagasto. Then, ways of interacting with friends and the community. Kung how the way you interact with the other people sa imong friend ba na or sa inyong community. Then, facing the possibility to have children and plan for their coming. Even though wala pa bitaw mo gaplano nga mag-anak mo, as long as kanang bago mong kasal, so, namjoy possible nga magbuo mo ng anak, so dapat inyo na siyang kanang andaman. Then, workable relationship with relatives. Then, ang second order changes niya mo ng formation of marital system. Then, so ang problems nga ma-encounter nimo sa medical is early pregnancy. So, dira kay kasalaman mo, nadyo'y chance nga makakuan ka kanang masayod buntis. Then STD, job-related physical examination, then gynecologic problems. So ang gynecologic problems, mo na siya ang conditions that affect the female reproductive system including the vagina, vulva, uterus, and ovaries, fallopian tubes, and breast. So, kuha na siya ka na murag na infection. Then, sa emotional and social, depression due to forced early marriage. So, what if di ay, di ba, na marriage siya katungod kay na forced na daig ka, nga na, then, jealousy to job, friends, and previous fiancé. Magselos din, problem relating to new role as spouse, then relating to in-laws, friends, peers, and money. So darita sa ikatulo, family with young children. So this stage marks a profound transportation for the couple as they becomes parts and integrate children into their family system. So diri na starts with pregnancy for the first child to emerge of adolescence. So diri na mag-start og kay anak nga isa ka buok. Then coming of the children defines the new family status, conflicts with home and school practices may arise. So kung kabalik kanan makay anak, of course, jud na ang kuan diha sa anak is mag-eskwela sila. Kung unsaon bitan nimo sila pag kuan kanang pag grace, kung unsaon nimo daw sila kuan sa laing tao, na ba sila respeto or wala. Then, ang first order changes man siyang meeting predictable and unpredictable cost of family life with small children. So, mao na siya ang mga financial expenses, mag-budget ka, o mga saving plans kung unsaon ninyo na sa imong partner. Then, sharing responsibilities, of course. Lisod po, isa ra ang maglihok sa inyong balay. So, dapat kamo gyud na duha or kamo tulo sa mga anak, pwede ra. Then, maintaining mutually satisfactory sexual relationship. Then, effective communication. Tapping resources outside of the family. Then, sa second order changes niya is accepting mutual marital system to make space for children. Then, parenting rule. Of course, kay parent naman ka dapat kabalo ka sa imong role as a parents. Then, realignment of relationship with extended family to include parenting and grandparenting roles. So, ang mga problems encountered diri as a parents is, ang medical is episodic medical problems, family planning, and sa emotional and social is peer pressure, extramarital affairs, sexual inadequacies, and problem in child rearing, in-laws problems, and financial problems. So, dapat before mo ka nang himo og bata, make sure nga nana mo nga na stable na bitaw inyong job kay para inyong inyong anak is dili siya maapektuhan sa pag-eskwela. Then naa siya tarong nga kanang dapat pagtuod ga inyong balay is kanang dapat na naman insakto nga balay nga inyong kaugalingong lupa og balay. So that's it sa akong topic. Then ang 4, 5, 6 si Glyza Lombres na ang mag-report. So, thank you for listening.